So one of my lovely followers requested a brow routine, so here we go. What I like to do with my brows is go in and fill in any areas that needs a little fill, okay? If it seems like something is missing, that's where I go in and fill. Now, this is the benefit, precisely my detailer. It has the smallest tip on the market right now, 0.8 millimeter, and you can get really nice hair-like strokes with this pencil. So I go in and follow my brow shape, gently creating hair-like strokes at the top, underneath, and within my brow. So I'm not applying too much pressure. That's the key to having a natural brow. My brows are pretty much already full. As you guys can see, I'm not really doing too much. I prefer to have my brows brushed up. That's just the look I like to go for. So I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze and I apply that. This product has me in a chokehold. Like, I have a bunch of benefit products because I work for the company, but this right here, this is it, okay? So next I go in and I outline my brows using a concealer. This right here is what really makes a difference, okay? Some days I go in because my brows are so full and I don't use any pencil. I just outline them with concealer. So less is more. I go in underneath and on top. We making really crisp, sharp lines. Just following your brow line though. Nothing too crazy. Blending is key, so make sure you blending out that concealer. And this is really it, to be honest. I do my other brow outline off camera. It already looked outlined already, but it's not. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this brow routine. And I will have a tutorial on this look as well.